Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mirza Zuhair Beg and you are watching my channel. I'm here to present the second half of chapter number 6 and the chapter name is Kingdom Procurity or Munera. The most important objective related to this chapter. So, in the name of Allah Almighty, Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. The MCQ number 26 is the blank is a microaerophilic bacteria. Which one is the microaerophilic bacteria? Pseudomonas, no, because this is the aerobic bacteria. Spirochete is anaerobic bacteria. E. coli is facultative bacteria, and Campylobacter. So this one is a Campylobacter is the bacteria that survive in the small amount of oxygen, so that's why it is called as a microaerophilic bacteria. The next one is about after the next one, blank is no growth phase in bacteria. So first one is the lag phase, which is no growth phase in bacteria. So right answer is option A. The next one is MCQ number 28. What is MCQ? MCQ is bacteria sexually reproduce by transduction, conjugation, transformation, spore formation. So conjugation is a proper process that have been occurred with the help of sex pili between two bacteria, and this kind of reproduction is called sexual reproduction. So option B is the right answer. 28. The next one is the reserve food material in cyanobacteria is this one is a glycogen, because the glycogen is the main reserve food of cyanobacteria, and the misuse of blank cause discoloration of teeth, which one is the antibiotic. The first one is streptomycin, penicillin, tetracycline, and CCl4. The right answer is tetracycline. Basically this one is the special kind of antibiotic. When we use this antibiotic in a very high dosage or very high amount, so it can cause the discoloration of teeth. So option C is the right bacteria. Log phase is option C is the right answer, because lag phase is the no growth phase. So right answer is log phase, in which the bacteria show. MCQ number 32. Blank is involved in the locomotion of cyanobacteria. Flagella, pseudopodia, cilia. No, gas vesicle. Yes, right answer is option D. Gas ब्लैंक काज ऑडिटरी डेफनेस. द स्ट्रेप्टोमाइसिन जो है अगर उसको वाइडली यूज किया जाए तो देन दैट काज द ऑडिटरी. Next one is about the blank in cyanobacteria involve nitrogen fixation. Trichomes not, because these are the chains of cyanobacterial cell akinides, specialized structures that no, this one is not. Harmogonia is the breakable parts, or you can say that the chains of cyanobacteria after the breakage fragmentation. So the right answer is option C. Heterocyst is the proper structure that involved in the nitrogen fixation in cyanobacteria. Blank type of cell wall exists. So gram negative, yes, gram negative type of is present in case of cyanobacteria. Blank is not a cyanobacteria. Anabina cyanobacteria है, oscillatoria भी cyanobacteria, nostoc yes cyanobacteria, and laminaria no. So the right answer is option D, because this is the brown algae, not the cyanobacteria. So option D is the right. Bacterial death rate equal to the reproduction rate. This one has been occurred in the stationary phase. So option C is the 8. Blank cause coagulation of protein. When we say the control of bacteria, there are different methods. For example, the moist heat, dry heat, radiations, filtration. So the moist heat is the main method to cause coagulation of protein, especially important for the to control the bacteria. So right answer is option A for MCQ. Blank are chemical substances used on living tissues to kill and inhibit bacterial growth. Antiseptics. So right answer is not available here. Sorry for that. और एंटीसेप्टिक्स जो है बेसिकली राइट आंसर है, क्योंकि लिविंग सेल्स पे, लिविंग टिश्यूज पे वही यूज़ होते हैं, और डिसइंफेक्टेंट जो है वो नॉन लिविंग पे यूज़ होते हैं, जबकि एंटीबायोटिक्स वाइडली यूज़ होने वाली ऐसी कीमोथेरेपेटिक एजेंट्स हैं जो केमिकल सब्सटेंसेस हैं जो बैक्टीरिया किल कर. इन ग्राम नेगेटिव बैक्टीरिया। ग्राम पॉजिटिव में 1 to 4 होता है, सो ग्राम नेगेटिव की बात हो रही है, इसलिए 11 to 12% जो है वो जो है लिपिड्स की परसेंटेज है। सो दिस वन इज टोटली अबाउट